Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 3 power x minus 2 power x equals 65. Let's solve for the value of x that satisfies this equation. So we start by raising this to the power of 1. So we have 3 power x raised to the power of 1 minus 2 power x raised to the power of 1 equals 65. So remember, if I have 1, this is the same as writing 2 over 2. That's the equivalent of writing 1. So I have 3 power x raised to the power of 2 over 2 minus 2 power x raised to the power of 2 over 2 equals 65. So from here, what I can do will be to express 2 over 2 as 1 times 1 over 2. Or possibly, I factor 1 over 2 from here and multiply with this x. So I'm going to have 3 power x times this is 1 over 2 times 2. So we have minus 2 power x raised to the power of this is 1 over 2 times 2, and this equals 65. So if you have a power x to the power of y, this equals a power x times y. So that means I'm going to have 3 power x over 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 power x over 2 to the power of 2 equals 65. Now, I can easily say that let a equals 3 power x over 2 and b equals 2 power x over 2. So that means when I have 3 power x over 2, I replace it with a. When I have this, I replace it with b. So we have a squared minus b squared equals 65. Now, this becomes difference of 2 squares. That means I will have a minus b times a plus b is the same thing as having a squared minus b squared. So that means we will simply have a minus b times a plus b equals 65. So right now, if you also consider this particular equation we have here, you observe that this is a minus b and this is a plus b. So obviously a plus b is greater than a minus b, meaning a minus b will be less than what? A plus b, because this is positive while this is negative. So because of that, we can divide this into 2 parts. What are the 2 numbers that if you multiply, you will have 65? And that is 13 times 5. You have 13 times 5, right? 13 times 5 or 5 times 13. So which one is a plus b? Which one is a minus b? A minus b, since this one is smaller than a plus b, that means this one will equate this smaller number. Well, a plus b, which is greater than a minus b, will equate the bigger number. So right now, we are going to have a minus b equals 5 and a plus b equals 13. So let's solve for a and b. This is simple simultaneous equation. So this is our equation 1. This is equation 2. We can decide to add equation 1 and 2. So let's add the both equation. A plus A, that is 2A, negative B, I'm just adding, negative B plus positive B, that is 0, equals 5 plus 13, that is 18. 2A plus 0, you have 2A equals 18. So isolating A by dividing this by 2, dividing this by 2, this eliminate this. We have A equals 9. And to solve B, what is B? We can use any of these equations. Our A is 9, so let's use this equation, the second equation. Remember, A is 9. From this second equation, we have A plus B equals 13, and A is 9. That means 9 plus B equals 13. This is 9. Don't forget that. So to isolate B, I move this 9 over here. So I have B equals 13 minus 9. And my B is 13 minus 9. We are going to have, this is 4. So A is 9 and B is 4. So let's get back to the original equation and get our X. Remember, here is it. A is 9, B is what? 4. So to solve for X, what you need to do is where you have A, you replace it with 9. 9 equals 3 power X over 2. 9 is x squared, which is 3 power 2. We have 3 power 2 equals 3 power X over 2. When the bases are the same, you compare the exponents, meaning 2 equals X over 2. Since the bases are the same, you compare the exponents. So this over 1, we cross multiply 1 times X. We have X, 2 times 2, we have 4. That means our X is 4. That's our answer. Now, you can also solve this using B. Remember, what is our B here? Our B is 4. We can also get the value of X using B. This is using B. The first one was using A. So using B, you have B equals 4. So what we need to do, let's get to the B equation. B equals 2 power X over 2. And B is 4. So we have 4 equals 2 power X over 2. Right? Is it over 2 over 4? Over 2. So this is over 2. Right? Is our V X over 2. Okay. So let's substitute this for B, which we have done. Let's express this in its exponential form. Remember, 4 is a perfect square. That means 2 power 2 equals 2 power X over 2. The bases are the same again. We compare the exponent, meaning 2 equals X over 2. And this 2 is over 1. If you cross multiply, 2 times 2, 4 equals X, meaning X equals 4. So we have gotten the same answer again using either A or B. So this is how you solve this exponential problem. You can as well verify your solution. Let's quickly verify. X equals 4, so we have 3 power X minus 2 power X equals 65. Our X is 4. 3 power 4 minus 2 power 4 equals 65. 3 power 4 is the same thing as what? That is 81. 2 power 4 is what? 16. This equals 65. If you subtract 16 from 81, you have 65, because 10 from 81 will give you 71. 71 minus 6 will give you what? 65. And this equals 65. Our solution is correct. So that is it, guys. This is how you solve this. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends.
I really appreciate that. Thank you and goodbye.